Deep in the heart of South America lies a world unlike any other, the Amazon rainforest. A place where sunlight barely touches the forest floor and every breath is thick with life. Here, over 400 billion trees stretch skyward, sheltering a kingdom of creatures. From the tiniest insects to the largest predators, the air hums with the calls of unseen animals, and every shadow hides a secret. But beneath this breathtaking beauty, danger lurks. The Amazon is home to some of the most deadly creatures on Earth, masters of camouflage, venom, and raw power. Tonight, we reveal the top 7 most dangerous animals of the Amazon jungle. Some kill with venom, others with brute force, and number 1 is a silent killer you'd never expect. Number 7, the bullet ant. Small, fierce, and feared across the Amazon for its excruciating sting. Found in the humid, lowland rainforests, bullet ants build their nests at the base of trees, hidden among tangled roots and fallen leaves. These ants live in large colonies, each ruled by a single queen and defended by hundreds of workers. Their social structure is complex, with coordinated foraging and fierce protection of their territory. Its sting is ranked among the most painful in the world, described as pure, burning agony. The venom contains a neurotoxic peptide called ponerotoxin, which disrupts nerve signals and causes waves of pain that can last for hours. Scientists study this venom for potential breakthroughs in pain management and medicine. In one famous account, an entomologist described the sting as walking over flaming charcoal with a 3-inch nail embedded in your heel. For some indigenous tribes, bullet ants are used in coming-of-age rituals, proof of courage and endurance. Young men endure dozens of stings while wearing woven gloves filled with bullet ants, dancing and chanting to prove their bravery. The bullet ant's legend lives on, an icon of pain, power, and survival in the Amazon's wild heart. At number 6, we find the piranha, one of the Amazon's most misunderstood predators. There are over 30 species, ranging from the infamous red-bellied piranha to the lesser-known black piranha, each with unique behaviors and habitats. Despite their reputation, piranhas rarely attack humans. Most species are shy, feeding on insects, plants, and carrion, but when food is scarce or the water level drops, they can form frenzied groups capable of stripping prey to the bone in minutes. Myths of piranhas devouring humans in seconds are mostly exaggerated. In fact, local fishermen swim in piranha-infested waters every day, using tricks passed down for generations to avoid bites. In 1913, President Theodore Roosevelt's expedition witnessed a staged feeding frenzy, fueling the legend. But in reality, piranhas play a vital role in the river ecosystem, cleaning up dead animals and keeping populations in balance. With razor-sharp, triangular teeth and powerful jaws, piranhas use lightning-fast attacks to wound prey, then retreat. Their teamwork and acute senses make them efficient hunters, but also essential scavengers in the Amazon's web of life. So, while the piranha's legend is fierce, the truth is far more fascinating and vital to the health of the Amazon River. The black caiman is the Amazon's largest predator, a shadowy giant that can reach over 20 feet in length. Its armored body glides silently through the dark waters, eyes glowing in the night. At night, the caiman becomes a master ambush hunter. It waits motionless beneath the surface, then explodes from the water to seize prey. Fish, birds, even capybaras and jaguars. Its crushing jaws leave little chance of escape. Young caimans must avoid predators like large fish, birds, and even adult caimans. As they grow, they become top predators, shaping the river ecosystem by controlling populations of other animals. Local guides tell stories of close encounters. Canoes stalked in the darkness, eyes reflecting in the torchlight. While attacks on humans are rare, the black caiman's power commands respect and caution. Once hunted nearly to extinction for their skins, black caimans are now protected. Their return is vital for the Amazon's balance, reminding us that even the most fearsome predators have a crucial role in the wild. Number 4, the Amazon's most colorful killers, poison dart frogs. These tiny amphibians come in a dazzling array of colors: electric blue, fiery orange, and brilliant yellow. Each species has its own unique pattern and level of toxicity. Some, like the golden poison frog, carry enough venom to kill 10 adults, just by touch. Indigenous tribes have long harnessed this power, carefully extracting the frog's toxins to coat the tips of blow darts for hunting. Scientists are fascinated by these frogs. In high-tech labs, researchers study their toxins for potential medical breakthroughs, from painkillers to heart treatments. But these frogs are in danger. Habitat loss and climate change threaten their survival. Conservationists race to protect them and the secrets they hold. Their survival strategies are just as remarkable. Some species carry their tadpoles on their backs, climbing high into the canopy to find safe water pools. Small, stunning, and deadly. The poison dart frog is a true jewel of the Amazon and a reminder of nature's power and fragility. Deep in the flooded forests and winding rivers of the Amazon, the green anaconda reigns supreme. This is the world's heaviest and one of the longest snakes. Some legends speak of monsters stretching over 30 feet. With a body as thick as a man's thigh and weighing up to 250 kilograms, the anaconda is a master of stealth. It glides silently through murky water, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. When prey approaches, be it a caiman, deer, or even a jaguar, the anaconda explodes from the depths, wrapping its coils with crushing force. Death comes not from venom, but from suffocation and sheer power. For centuries, local people have told stories of giant anacondas, sometimes called sucuriju gigante, capable of overturning boats and swallowing men whole. While science has yet to confirm these monsters, the anaconda's reputation is legendary. Today, researchers study these elusive giants to understand their role in the ecosystem. Despite their fearsome image, anacondas rarely attack humans and are vital to the balance of the Amazon's wild world. Number 2, the jaguar. Ruler of the Amazon's shadows, this elusive cat commands vast territories, sometimes spanning over 50 square miles. Jaguars are rarely seen by humans, their presence revealed only by paw prints or a fleeting glimpse through the dense foliage. With a muscular build and powerful limbs, the jaguar is built for stealth and strength. Its rosette-patterned coat blends perfectly with the dappled light of the rainforest, making it nearly invisible to both prey and predator. Jaguars hunt with unmatched patience, stalking silently before launching a lightning-fast ambush. Using night vision and acute hearing, they strike under cover of darkness, often seen only as a shadow in thermal or night vision footage. Their bite is the strongest of any big cat, able to pierce skulls and even turtle shells. Jaguars prey on caimans, deer, monkeys, and more, helping to keep the Amazon's ecosystem in balance. Revered by indigenous cultures as a symbol of power and mystery, the jaguar features in ancient myths and modern conservation efforts. But today, habitat loss and poaching threaten their survival, making every sighting a rare and precious event. The jaguar's presence shapes the jungle itself. As a keystone species, it keeps prey populations in check, ensuring the Amazon remains wild, mysterious, and alive. At number 1, the most dangerous animal in the Amazon is not a jaguar or anaconda. It's the tiny mosquito. Despite its size, this insect is responsible for more deaths than any other creature in the rainforest. Mosquitoes breed in standing water, multiplying rapidly after rains. Swarms emerge from puddles, ponds, and even water-filled leaves, making them nearly impossible to avoid. These insects transmit deadly diseases: malaria, yellow fever, dengue, and Zika virus. Outbreaks have devastated Amazon communities, overwhelming hospitals and claiming thousands of lives. In 2016, a Zika outbreak swept through Brazil, causing birth defects and panic. Malaria remains a constant threat, especially in remote villages where medical care is scarce. Locals fight back with mosquito nets, repellents, and community cleanup campaigns. Scientists release sterile mosquitoes and develop vaccines, hoping to turn the tide against these relentless killers. Silent, relentless, and everywhere, the mosquito remains the Amazon's most lethal killer, shaping the lives of millions who call the rainforest home. The Amazon's most dangerous creatures: bullet ant, piranha, black caiman, poison dart frog, green anaconda, jaguar, and mosquito. Each a master of survival, each with its own deadly secret. Protect the Amazon, explore wisely, like and subscribe for more wild stories.